How to create a business postcard in Canva for free. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a business postcard in Canva for free. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a user-friendly, web-based graphic design platform that empowers individuals and teams to create a wide range of visual content with ease. And it has become one of the popular tools for non-designers and professionals alike, offering a drag-and-drop interface and a vast library of templates, images, icons, fonts, and design elements. So now to proceed, the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to the search bar to find the template in here for business postcard. You can start entering here business postcard and just click the enter button on your keyboard. And upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed some of this result of the template. And it will show you, if you scroll down here, some of the template that is offered for free, while some of these need to have an upgrade account in order to access or use those postcard template. And from here, you could also search for a specific kind of business postcard template in here using the all filters button on the top panel, and it will show you the categories that you can choose from on the left side panel in here. We have here the style, modern, simple, the themes, topic, and even the color of it. However, in those options, I'm just going to click or choose what is really available in here and going to choose the first one. And upon clicking on it, it will show us the overview of what it looks like upon printing the postcard. We have here the size of A6, and to start customizing this one, we can now proceed by clicking customize this template button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And to start customizing this, it will show us a variety of options for editing tools that we can navigate on the left side panel and on the top panel of it. First, you can see we have here two pages, and if you click any of these elements it contains, we can start customizing it. For example, this context, by clicking on it, it will show us that we can start changing it depending on our preferences. For example, I'm going to enter here travel with us if your business is a travel agency. So as you can see, we've now successfully changed here this context. You can also add your logo on the top of it if you want to, or enter your business name or your agency. And aside from that, just simply choose here your logo that you prefer. Now moving on, aside from this context, you can also start navigating this website in here. So just simply highlight it or select it and enter your business website. And upon entering your business website, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply customize the image background of it. You can start deleting it or selecting on it, or you can click upload button on the left side panel. To upload the files, just click this upload files button so that you can start uploading from your computer files. Or alternatively, you could also use this element section to search for a specific photo that is offered for free. For example, travel, and click this photo section. And from here, all you need to do is simply select here the photo that you want to replace it with. So just simply drag it in here. Now as you can see, it is now being replaced by this image. And aside from that, you also change the background color of it by clicking the background color and choose the color palette on the left side panel. We have here default colors or even the gradients color in here. So you can simply navigate to choose a different kind of color style that you prefer in here. Or alternatively, you could also click the design option on the left side panel and click the styles. And after that, you can also simply click the combinations color in here or color palettes that you prefer to see the color combination in here. Upon clicking on it, it will show us that the color is currently being changed upon clicking on it. For example, this one, I'm going to choose, which is kind of neutral. Then you could also do the same thing on the second page of it. You'd also start clicking on the color palette once again. So now as you can see, we've now successfully changed the color to this one, which is both of them has this neutral green color. Then you could also add a sticker if you want to by clicking the elements, wherein for example, I'm going to search plain, and upon searching on it, you could also go to the graphic section if you want to add to this second page. So just simply go to the sticker or graphic section where it will show you some of the free contents or graphic design that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this one and drag it in here. So as you can see, we've now successfully added here an elements of graphic design and also change some of the details in here. And now if you want to start Adding more text, just click the text option in here if you want to, or even start customizing the font of it. You'd also click on it and change the font style, font size, color, and many more. So you can simply navigate or customize all of the details in here. So as you can see, we've now successfully changed here the font style of this text. And if you're now done, you can click the share button to save the changes or print with Canva in here. However, it is more costly rather than when you print on your own. And to do that, just click the share button on the top right corner and click the download and choose the file type, either JPG, PNG, PDF, standard, print, and many more. And click the download button to proceed. So that is just basically how you can create a business postcard in Canva for free. Thank you.